Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If your BPI mobile app is not working, maybe it's crashing, not loading, or just acting weird, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few easy steps to fix it. So let's go. First step can be to restart your phone. This simple step can fix minor glitches with apps. Second, make sure you are connected to the internet. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Third can be to clear app cache. First, go to your settings and then apps and notifications, and then search your BPI application and then tap on it and go to storage and cache and tap clear cache. This removes temporary data that might be causing issues. If clearing the cache does not help, you can try clear data, but you'll need to log in again after this step. A fifth option can be to go to the Google Play Store and then search for BPI and check if there's an update. Tap update if available. If it's still not working, uninstall the app, then reinstall it from the Play Store. Sometimes the app is down for maintenance. Check BPI's website or social media pages for any announcements. And that's how you troubleshoot the BPI app. Try these steps and let me know in the comments if it worked. Like, share and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.